There are many videos that teach us how to buy and sell stocks. So today, I've decided to come up with something different. From this video, you will learn these 5 types of shares that you should never buy. Hi, my name is JF. If you are watching my video for the very first time, do hit the subscribe button of my channel so that you will be able to watch my upcoming videos about stock trading. If you happen to hold any of the following 5 types of shares, you must be alert as your assets are now at risk, especially for the 4th and 5th type of shares which most investors still holding without knowing what's coming to them. The first one, the shares that are covered in tones as shown in the picture, and you will find them always in strange trend. Their typical characteristics are the candlesticks always come with long upper or lower shadow and tend to be anti-fold while the indices aren't doing well. The fact about this phenomenon is that the so-called big boys or main force of the stock market with smaller size of funds has actually bought into it and trapped as no other investors is willing to step in and pick up the shares. Therefore, they will try all possible ways to act if the shares are performing well, hoping that the retail investors will be attracted to make entry into these shares, and they will be able to reduce their loss here. For this type of shares, once the capital chain breaks, it's normal to see the share price come down real quickly. The second type of shares that we should never buy are the companies which are making losses continuously. These shares face the risk of delisting and they come with lots of uncertainty, making it doesn't worth to be one of the shareholders. Well, there are some exceptional shares such as C Limited, a local firm in Singapore which is listed on NYSE. The company has been losing money for a couple of years, but because of the 3 types of businesses under C Limited are all expected to grow well in the future, and there are multiple estimations that C Limited's market capitalization will hit a total of 1 trillion. Due to the mentioned above, C Limited has rose from $10.52 in December 2018 to an all-time high of $372.70 in October 2021. That's as much as 35x. The third type of shares that we shouldn't buy are the shares that went through sharp falls as shown in the picture. These are usually the ones with financial loopholes in the company, and that's why the main force group up to sell off the shares. As a result, the share price just keep falling and falling sharply. Number 4. Do not buy shares with abnormal trading volume at relatively low level of share price. Many investors find it attractive to make entry when a share falls to a relatively low price level, especially when the trading volume spikes, making it seems like the main force of stock market has stepped in to pick up the shares. From the chart itself, we can see these 3 spots come with extremely high trading volume, and every single time of it, the share price falls to a new low level. The 5th type of shares that we shouldn't buy are the ones that the main force is looking to clear its holdings, especially the ones that have been pushed out. Many investors who choose to chase the shares at high level have ended up trapped in the shares. For useful methods in keep tracking of the main force, you may watch my other videos or make an appointment with me for a demonstration of Homilychart software through my contact details in the description box. Without knowing how to differentiate the main force actions, the possibility of consistently making gains in the stock market is literally zero. Alright, so these are the 5 types of shares that we should avoid making entry into. Be it trading or investing, we must first lower our risk, then only think about making profit. So, is there any other shares that you think we should avoid other than the 5 types of shares that I have mentioned above? Do feel free to leave a comment below this video for discussion. Alright, that's all from me today. If you like my videos, please hit the like button and do not forget to share it to your friends as well so that they can learn more about stock trading here at my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in my next video.